the wild and free. The moment is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all in view. Everything is beautiful.